finished from a breakfast meeting with a, I'm saying pancreas.
This is a customer
announcement. So just finished from a breakfast meeting with a public international professor from Israel, and we spoke about the inclusion of sexual offences in the trial itself and the laws. So I do understand that they can find sexual offences within other criminal offences, for example genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity. But what happens if we put those offences in isolation? How does that work? So she wrote an article about it, and I'm looking forward to that. Good morning everyone. Yeah, I'm ready to go for a quick run and get ready and start the day. Just got back from a quick run. I would say is not run. Most of the times I don't have my stamina is not as good, so I just walk and try to enjoy the sceneries. So I've got half an hour to get ready. I have conference calls that I'm going to be taking from home because the internet in Chambers is not as great, so they're quite important calls and I need to make sure that I got good connection. And so I need to get ready. I've got half an hour for my first conference call to begin, and then I've got some meetings in central London, and I will take you with me today. Be prepared, it is a busy day. And I am ready. I think I got ready, let me see, in 20 minutes. I had my shower, I did my makeup, I got ready. I even decided to do my clothes. I didn't have it ready from the night before. So yes, I'm ready now. I'm just going to send a couple of emails and just tune in for the conference calls. The first conference call, I'm very delighted to be able to share it with you because I will be speaking to the president of the Law Society of Uganda, and what we're trying to do is trying to understand the legal system and the way it operates, not just from the legal perspective but also the culture within it, and to promote human rights causes and the potential of speaking and looking into bringing some new ideas. And basically we're going to brainstorm and see how we can contribute and how we can share our thinking. And from I'm from a very diverse background. I'm half Cypriot, half Swedish, but I live in London. So, and I think each and every one of us has got a different, I would say, a different background that we can share and we can exchange our views and ideas and knowledge. So that's the first meeting that I'm really looking forward for, to speak and understand what is happening there. And yes, conference calls are done. It was long. There was one after the other. So it's done. Emails that they need to be sent, they're done with it. There are a couple of other things on my to-do list for today. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to do it, and I absolutely detest the feeling of kind of ending the day without making sure that everything on the list of that day is done. I'm going to do my best, even though it happens very frequently for me to still have things that I need to transfer it for the next day. Now I need to eat something very quickly. I got nice vegetables and some rice, and yes, we are heading in central London for a couple of meetings there. The thing is that in London now during January time it does get really dark fairly quickly. So, by the time I'll get back home, by the time I actually go to central London, it will be dark. So it will feel like it's the end of the day, but it's not really. It's kind of midday. Yeah, so let's do this. I am in Chancery Lane, currently walking, came out from the underground and heading to Chambers first, and then after that for our meeting. It's already dark out here and I am looking forward for a cup of coffee actually. Yeah, let's carry on. Place that you will be really nice for you to it's the Lincoln scene. Let me show you one. It is nice and dark here. You literally can't see even your footsteps. Okay, let me run down to Chambers and get things done here. End of the day, I just got back home. It's about I would say 9:30. I don't have the phone with me. It's about 9:30 at night time. Yeah, nearly 10 o'clock. And so the last meeting that I had, the person that I was supposed to meet didn't turn up, but that's completely fine. I'm quite flexible when things do not turn up to happen the way you initially thought it would happen. The good thing is that it was the last meeting of the day, so it didn't affect the outcome of the rest of my meeting. So that was the good side of it. And when I was driving, when I was getting my train to get back home, I thought about something I would like to share with you. So this meeting, that was the last meeting that I had, the person didn't turn up, and I just made the thinking that sometimes we get disappointed when things do not turn up the way we thought it will be. that could really be about anything in life. It could be a meeting, it could be a relationship, it could be absolutely anything. And it's all about being flexible and to embrace the moment and the situation when that happens. And what that means is that when you are flexible and you're embracing the situation, that means you are embracing the positive part of it, because every situation has its positive and its negative side. It is a matter of choice how you're going to decide to react to it. And the reaction, it's something that you can determine yourself. It's something that you choose. And I meet a lot of young lawyers, and myself becoming a barrister, it was indeed very challenging. And to be able to do work such as international criminal law, human rights, etc., and hearing from people how difficult it is to enter this industry, and they were kind of trying to communicate to me the difficulties that you have to overcome. There are difficulties regardless of what you decide to do, whether it is to be a lawyer, whether it is to be a mother, whether it is to be a personal assistant. In anything you do, there are difficulties to encounter. It is upon you how you're going to decide to define each and every compartment of your life. And that means if it's going to be on its positive part of it or if it's going to be a negative part of it. Therefore, my feeling and the way I decide to engage my life, it's always to embrace and to always react to situations in the most positive way possible. And it is a state of mind. It's something that you have to work within yourself. And I found that it is. I actually got it here. It is in the morning. I would read, even if it's 1 or 2 pages, not on the phone, not on your iPads, not on your laptop. Literally, just grab yourself a book, 2 pages, make it 2 pages, and have a sip of your tea and really read something that it is powerful. Read something that it lasts for years and years. For example, Aristotle, Ithikani Magia. There is no translation to this particular title. It is powerful. Every sentence of it has something that was able to travel for years and years, and it is still here today. Things like that do make a difference, and of course trying to be present in the moment, trying to absorb as much as possible, and really surround yourself with beautiful people, surround yourself with beautiful things that make you happy. And if that means that you have to really detach yourself from certain things, let it be. Let it be. If a cup of coffee makes you happy, like it makes me happy, then let it be a cup of coffee to make you happy. Sometimes happiness is determined by very small and sometimes immaterial, or even things that you would not appreciate, that there will be part of what we define happiness. Brainstorming, night thoughts of me. Please leave a comment down below if you agree or disagree. I wish you to have a very good night or a very good day whenever you're watching this video, and stay strong, believe in yourself, you can do it. Have a good night. Bye.